Looking to add a new payment method to your Whatnot account for seamless buying? Having your preferred payment method set up is crucial for participating in live auctions and making purchases. In this guide, I'll show you how to easily add a payment method on Whatnot. To add a payment method, open the Whatnot app on your smartphone. Navigate to your Profile or Account section, usually found at the bottom right. Then look for Payment Methods or Wallet. You'll typically see an option to add new payment method or add card. Whatnot usually accepts credit and debit cards. You'll be prompted to enter your card details, the 16-digit card number, expiration date, and CVV. Finally, save the card details. Whatnot might perform a small authorization charge, which is then immediately refunded to verify the card. Once successfully added, your new payment method will be available for purchases on the platform. And there you have it. Adding a payment method on Whatnot is quick and convenient. If this video was helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips.